Welcome to our 6th lesson of learning Ndebele. We are still looking at the consonant sounds in Ndebele, and in our previous lesson we discussed the three-term label that we use to describe and identify a consonant sound, and we said it could be according to voicing, place of articulation, and manner of articulation. Okay, and I will also add another aspect which applies in Ndebele, which is aspiration. Aspiration. It is going to help us to understand some of the sounds later on, and some of them I've already given as examples before. Now, from the bilabial sound category in Ndebele, we have got sounds like ba, ba, which is the BH sound there. Ba. It has got voicing, so it is in voiced bilabial stop. We are calling it a stop because it is produced by the articulators coming into contact and explosively expelling the air there to produce the sound. Ba is a voiced bilabial stop. Compared with its compatriot va, va, this one is a voiceless bilabial fricative. Va, va, va. Here what you are hearing as the voice now is the vowel a that I am adding to the v sound so that you can hear what I'm saying. And then we have got pa, pa. So pa, this one is aspirated. So every sound that you see represented with an H in Ndebele means it's aspirated. By aspiration, what do we mean? We mean that you articulate the sound while softly expelling the air from your chest, all the way from your chest. Pa, pa. So there's aspiration as compared to pa, pa. So when you say pa, you are not breathing out. You are locking the air from your glottal point there, then you expel the air from the oral cavity without breathing out. So it's ejected as opposed to aspirated, the aspirated one. So we've got those two sounds there. These are basically voiceless bilabials. And then we've got a combination of consonants. Like we have the nasal sound m, m, as in ma. Right? This one, if you combine it with b, it becomes mb. As in imbambaila, sweet potatoes, or imbanje. What is imbanje? Many people know this without me saying it. It is an illegal drug, isn't it? Marijuana. So mba is a combination of the sound m and the consonant sound b to make mba. And then we've got mba, which is the combination of m and p, and we've basically these are mainly the bilabial sounds that we find in Ndebele. I hope you can practice that so that we meet in our next lesson for new consonant sounds.